I'ma flirt. Soon as I see her walk up in the club, I'ma flirt. Winking eyes at me when I roll up on them dubs.
Hey guys, today I'll be doing a freshman advice video. I'm definitely not a professional. I'm a rising senior, so I feel like I do have some wisdom to bestow on all of you guys. So hopefully this video helps you guys. If it doesn't, then I'm really sorry. Like I'm trying. If you guys like this video, give it some love, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and dive into my advice for freshmen or high school in general. This is so true. Popularity does not matter. Like, it does not matter at all. I played myself because I thought it would be like High School Musical, but it really was not. Life be like that. It doesn't really give you anything beneficial for your life except, like, I don't know, like high school clout. Popularity does not matter in high school. Let me tell you, this saved my life for the past 3 years, and that is group chats. Let me explain why it was so helpful. For one, when you don't understand something, you can go in, hit up your guys and be like, y'all, I don't understand this, and somebody will come out the cut and they're super smart and they'll be like, yeah, I understand this, and they will explain it to you. Well, hopefully they explain it to you. Most of the time they did for me. And they also help you stay on top of your work just in case you forget something. So if you guys can get yourselves in a group chat or start a group chat, I highly recommend it because it helped me so much for the past 3 years. Like, without them, I probably would have failed high school. The next advice is something that I stand by pretty strongly, and that is work hard from day one. So the moment you walk into high school, work hard, because later on you will regret not working hard. All your grades from day one really matters. Once you hit, like, I don't know, like the end of junior year, and then you look back and you're like, oh my god, I should have done better. That is the worst feeling ever. Like, I mean, that's not exactly what I'm feeling right now because I did pretty good freshman year, like a lot better than what I'm doing right now. You will thank yourself later for doing so well in the beginning. Hard work does pay off. Another thing is to stay active in school, and truthfully I wish I joined clubs in freshman year because I didn't really do anything except go to school and then go back home. The hours will add up and it will be useful for something, especially because I know for mine it helped toward National Honor Society. You will meet new people, you might find new interests. You will regret not being active like me right now. Like, I wish I was active freshman year. I didn't start being active until sophomore year, and I kind of regret not being active freshman year. If you want to join it, join it. Join it. Even if you're not sure. Step out of your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to, because high school is a big time for self-discovery and growing up, and you will find new things that interest you. Whether that be starting a new language, dancing, singing, debate club, and if you're scared, then join with a friend. The next things are kind of serious, so I can't be joking around that much. But one, people don't stay forever. You will experience people leaving your life and new people entering your life. I mean, it's okay to feel sad. Remember that this is normal and it will happen. Not everybody will stay forever. My main message is people will leave and people will stay, and that's okay. The next thing is something I'm very passionate about, I guess, and that is your mental health. And mental health is so important. During high school, it will be tested so much. Whether that be your workload, the people that you're around, your personal life, your actual mental health, everything will be tested in high school, and it's so important to keep that in check. Whether that be stay hydrated, make sure you eat, put some time aside for yourself, talk to somebody, find a support system. And my own support system consisted of my family, my friends, and some teachers. These people will be your rock, and they will have your back when you are falling apart and you need somebody to be there for you. Find a teacher that you trust and you can confide in. My AP World teacher was my rock, and I don't know what I would do without him because he helped me so much throughout the year. Do not stress so much. You will be okay. And I know at times it will be really overwhelming, especially like midterm season, AP testing season, final season. It's gonna be so overwhelming. But do not worry, you got this. You will get through it and you're gonna be just okay, and you will go off and achieve your dreams and be amazing. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think that's all of my general advice for incoming freshmen and high school in general. I hope it helped in some way. I hope I did. I really hope you guys have a good and easy time transitioning into high school. Just breathe, you got this. If you guys found this video in any way helpful, give it a like. And if you guys like me enough, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Sometimes when I'm with my chick on the low, I'm a flirt. And when she's with a man looking at me damn right, I'm a flirt.